Okay, we'll continue. So here C means change, H means previous character. So I want to change previous 6 characters. Okay, see H means before character. Okay, C means change, 6 means previous 6 characters. Okay, first we'll check with one single character, then we'll see how to change previous 6 characters. Okay, see here, I am placing cursor here somewhere around like Z. Okay, see here H means if I use only H, it moves the cursor a character before, right? Again I am taking to Z. Okay, now CH, C means change, H means previous character. Okay, now I am pressing CH. Now you can see the symbol. Now the you are finding some dollar sign. Okay, so this is some insert mode and you can change this character. Okay, when you press escape, this dollar sign will disappear. Okay, so it is like changing words. Okay, if you want to change words, CW you can press. Okay, now here I am changing previous one character, CH. Okay, I am typing the characters, see T. Now it is placed at Z. Now press escape key. This previous character is changed. Okay, now suppose see here I want to change this word, I want to change this entire word and I want to place some new word in this, then you can use CW. H means only single character, previous character. W means word forward, right? Means this word CW. See here last you are seeing dollar sign, right? Okay, now you can type whatever the word you want to replace, and after completing your typing you can press escape. Okay, now this word is replaced. Okay, so like this you can use C means change command with these range. Okay, range commands like H, L, O, sorry, 0, dollar, okay, B, W, E, any word. Okay, we have seen with W. W means word forward. CW means change word. Okay, change the word forward. If you want to change previous word, then CB, then CB. Okay, change backward, a word before the current word. Okay, so this is change command. So here delete, change, and the last one is, okay, this one is small. Okay, now here, and the last one is and. Okay, for this we can use Y. Y is nothing but and command. Okay, so this and is nothing but whatever the command you specified. Suppose if you say some delete, if you say some delete, okay, if you say some delete, okay, so the deleted text will be placed into the buffer. Okay, so this and command, it will copy the current text object, whatever the text object you specify, like previous 2 lines, previous 10 characters, 10 characters forward. Okay, so this command, that text object will be placed into the buffer. Okay, and you can use this buffer to paste somewhere. Okay, it is like copy paste, it is like copy paste. Whatever the command you specify, that text object will be placed into the buffer, and this buffer you can use for pasting somewhere in the document. Okay, we'll see one example, like, okay, we'll see on characters. Okay, we'll take same W only. So here W means a word forward. Okay, now here I am saying YW, and word means one word will be placed into the buffer. Okay, it is not like cutting the text or deleting the text. The text will be there, but it will be placed into the buffer. It is like copying in MS Word. It is like copying in MS Word. So this word will be copied and placed in the buffer. Okay, and you can use p command to paste somewhere. P means put command. So this will paste somewhere in the document. See here, small p and capital P. Put or paste the deleted text after the current character, okay, or current line. Fine. We'll see this example. See here, this is the word. Okay, W means it will move only forward, one word forward, only one word forward like this. Okay, now the cursor is placed at military, the word military. Now here I am typing YW. Okay, so this Y is nothing but and command, W is nothing but one word forward. Okay, one word forward means YW. Here you are not seeing any difference, but this word military is placed in the buffer. Is placed in the buffer. Buffer is nothing but some memory area. Okay. Now I am taking this cursor somewhere in this document like here. Now I am pressing P. P is nothing but paste. Okay. Now I am pressing P. See, the word is placed here. It is pasted. Okay, so this Yank is nothing but similar to copying text in MS Word. Okay, see here in MS Word I am selecting this word and I am pressing Ctrl C, that is nothing but copy. I can take cursor to the location where I want to place, and here I am going to press paste. Okay, the word is pasted here. Okay, the same way you can use Yank command. Okay, so this Yank is similar to copy. Okay, so like this you can copy some paragraphs, you can copy some lines, and you can paste somewhere in the document. Okay, so this and command copies the text object and places in the temporary buffer area. So this is a temporary area, means once you log out that will be flashed. Okay, so till the session it is there, or till the next copy. So this military is available till my next copy, means see here I am taking cursor here, again I can paste it here by using P command. Okay, it is pasted here, right? I can paste any number of times. Why? Because it is there in the buffer. See, I am pasting here like this many number of times. So this available in the buffer area till my next copy, means see here I am taking cursor here, I am using YW, means I am copying this tube's word. Okay, YW. Now this is copied. Now if I say P, now this recent one will be pasted. This is available. Okay, any number of times you can paste till the next copy into the buffer or till the session is end. So this is available till the session is end or till the next copy. If you don't copy, this is available till the end of the session. If you copy something, that new text will be placed into the buffer and the previous one will be erased. Okay, fine. So this and command is similar to your copy command in the MS Word. Okay, so like this you can copy lines as well. You can copy lines or paragraphs or sentences. Okay, paragraphs. Simple. Why open curly braces? Why open curly braces? What is open curly brace? It is nothing but beginning of paragraph. This one is end of paragraph. Means previous paragraph. If you use why open curly brace, previous paragraph will be copied into the buffer area. If you use close curly brace, it will copy the current paragraph, okay, to the buffer area. Then you can take your cursor to the required position where you want to paste, and you can paste it over there using the command P. P is nothing but put command. So you can paste using this command. Okay. So these are delete, range, change, and. Okay, So this Yank is important, and we can use very frequently. So it is similar to copy. So combining these two, I mean using these two commands Y and P, you can copy paste. You can copy paste your lines, words, characters, paragraphs, sentences, whole document as well. Okay. I'll show you one simple one example using this Y. I'll take one small file. Yes, this is having one simple line. I'm going to open this file names.txt. Okay, now the cursor is placed at the beginning of the file. Okay, if I use capital G, what will happen? It will take the cursor to the last line and beginning of the file. But we don't have any lines in this. That's why what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more information to this. Okay, now see here, this file contains some two lines. Now I am using the command Y capital G. Y is nothing but Yank. Capital G, move the cursor till the end of file, and the cursor will be placed at the beginning of the line, last line. Move the cursor to the last line in the file, and the cursor will be placed at the beginning of that last line. Okay. So here first I am pressing Y that is nothing but Yank and capital G. Okay. So here you don't see any effect, right? Now paste it. Now paste it using the command P. See here, this whole document is placed in buffer. That's the reason we are going to get the whole. Okay. See here, again I am going to paste it. Okay, again I am going to paste it. The whole document is pasting here. So like this you can copy a character before characters or after characters by using the respective commands. Okay, next before lines or after lines by using commands and Yank. Next paragraphs, sentences, so on. Okay, you can copy the whole document as well. Okay, the whole document will be placed into the buffer area and you can paste wherever you want. Okay, so this is Yank command. So open curly brace, close curly brace, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. You can use any of these commands with Yank command. Okay, so we used G. Okay, as well as some characters, right? Okay, words. We have seen some examples on these. Okay, we'll move to next topic, that is global commands in VI editor. What are the global commands and how do we use these commands? Okay, see, in VI editor commands are categorized into three kinds. One is local, range and global. Okay, local, range and global. So we have discussed local and range, right? Next one, global commands. So global commands are nothing but these commands apply to the buffer, I mean entire file, to the complete file. Okay. So we'll see what are those commands. Okay. So first one, control Y. We have seen all these examples. Maybe some of these are we discussed in the earlier sessions. Scrolls up one line. CTRL control Y. Control Y, it scrolls up one line. The screen will be scrolled up one line. So this will scroll down one line. Okay. U means half screen. D means half screen. Okay. So U means it scrolls up half screen. CTRL plus D means downward, half screen downwards, scrolls down half screen. Okay, so next one and more two are there like complete screen. Here one line up and down. So these are half screen up and down. Full screen. Okay, CTRL plus D, full screen, scroll up, full screen. Okay, full screen is nothing but 24 lines. Okay, full or whole screen. Okay, so this will scroll down whole screen. If you use G, end of the file. Okay, fine. So this control Y, it is scroll up one line, scroll down one line. This will half screen. U means half screen up. D means half screen down. B means beginning. I mean like screen beginning. Okay. Scroll up full screen. F means foot, like scroll down full screen, means 24 lines. It will move one page, or we can say another word, page. Okay, one page up or down using B and F. B means one page above, F means one page down. Okay, means you can able to see the next page or before page. These are half screen movement, half page. Okay, and these are lines. Okay, we'll check these. Some of them are discussed in the earlier session. I'll close this. We'll take this computer file. See, this is the, now here this file contains so many lines or pages, but we are able to see only the first page. When you open the file, you can see only first page. Okay, now if you want to move this page, I mean screen, one line up, means computer will be moved up, this computer line. So this line will be moved up. Okay, by using the command control Y, hold control and press Y. Okay, small y only. See, the reason here you are not able to see is, it should be, first it should move 24 lines up, then only it will be moved. Okay, okay, first let me move one screen or two screens, then you can see. I'll move one screen up. It's not okay. Control B. Okay, fine. Now it is here control D. Now the insert is up. Okay, control D. This command scrolls down half screen. Okay, half screen. Now to move the screen, okay, scrolls to move one screen, one line up, you can use the command Y, control Y. So this, see here, one line, it is moving up. Okay, you can able to see the previous line. You can able to see previous line, right? So this is moving the screen up. Okay, control Y. Control E, it will move the screen down. Okay, control E, scroll down one line. So this is moving up, that's the reason you are able to see the next line. Okay, so this entire thing is only one line. Okay, these are one line, right? Control E, one line down. Okay, control Y, one line up, scrolls one line up. Okay, now control U, half screen up, Control U, half screen up, Control D, half screen down. Okay, half screen is nothing but nearly 12 lines. Okay, so Control U and D. U means half screen up, D means down. Okay, it is moving down. That's why you are able to see the file in downward direction. Okay, U means up. It will move up and you can see previous lines. Okay, some 12 lines. So D means down. Control D, down. Okay, now Control B, scroll up whole screen. So this whole screen will be moved up. Control B. Okay, see here, this was the previous screen. Okay, now you can able to see the before screen. Control B, scroll up. It will take to keep, if you keep on press, this is the beginning of the file. Okay, Control F, it will move scroll down, one screen down. Control F, one screen down. Okay, so these are screen movement commands. Using these you can scroll your cursor around in the file. Okay, anywhere in the file. Okay, so these are applying on the whole document. That's why these are global commands. Okay, so next command, we'll see next command, move to next command, that is undo command. So what is undo command? U. Okay, small u, this will undo only the last edit. Last edit. So this editing operation can be anything like your deletion, changing, okay, moving, anything, any editing operation. So the last action, that is edit operation, will be cancelled. Okay, so it undoes only last action. Capital U is nothing but, so it undoes all changes on the current line. It undoes all changes on the current line. Okay, so these two are undo commands, means it will cancel. Okay, it will cancel the last action. So this one is to cancel the last action, last editing operation. This one is last few changes done on this file. Okay, if you modify, if you apply some 3-4 actions on the line, so to cancel all those you can press capital U. Okay, see here, this is the line, and here I am going to delete these characters using X. This is one operation. Okay, so here I am pressing X. Now if you use small u, it will cancel only the last action. Here I deleted some set of characters, right? I deleted some set of characters, and the last deleted character is X. So if you use small u, it will only undo the last one, that is deleting the comma symbol. Okay, so it will cancel that, it will undo only that last action. That's the reason you are getting only X. If you use capital U, it will cancel all the changes. It will cancel all the changes made to this line. Okay, I am using capital U. See, here I am going to get everything. Okay, whatever the changes done, those are all undo. Okay, those are all cancelled. Okay, so that is the difference between small u and capital U. Small u only last action. Okay, suppose see here I am going to change this previous character using ch command. Okay, previous character, that is T. I entered some 2 characters, right? After this I am deleting this character E. I deleted character E. Here I made 2 changes. One is, here I changed one character, and here I deleted one character. So the last action is deleting the character, not changing the character, right? So after changing the character, I made one more editing operation, that is deleting the character. So that is my last action. So to cancel this one, I can press U, small u. I'll get it. Okay, if I want to cancel what are all the changes done on this file, on this line, I can use capital U command. Okay, capital U. So this will cancel all the changes. Okay, right. So this is undo command, small u and capital U. Small u only last action. Sorry, capital U undo all changes on the current line. Okay, sorry. Next one, repeat command. We'll stop with this command. Okay, repeat. Repeat means the same command will be repeated. The same command will be repeated. Whatever the last command we executed, the same command, that command can be change command, that command can be deleting characters command, or that command can be deleting lines command, or that command can be deleting paragraphs, whatever it may be. So your last command will be repeated by using this repeat command. So what is the command symbol? So that command symbol is, so this repeat command symbol is dot. Okay, so this is a repeat command, so it will repeat the last executed command. Okay, see, suppose I am deleting this line. First let me move to, yes, here it is line by line. Okay, yes, these are all line by line, I can see. Okay, fine. So these are some lines. Here I am going to delete this line. I am going to delete this line by using dd command. By using dd command. Okay. Yes, deleted. If I want to repeat the same command, instead of typing dd, I can use this repeat command, that is dot. Just press dot. It will say one keystroke, right? dd. I need to press D key twice. Instead of that, I can use this repeat command. Okay, so that is dot. See, dot. The line is deleting. I am pressing only dot. So the line is deleted. So this dot is nothing but repeat. Last executed command will be repeated. Okay, see, suppose here I am deleting this character. I am deleting the current character by using X. Yes, the character is deleted. I can repeat the same command by using this repeat command, that is dot. It will keep on deleting, right? So this is delete command. So generally this repeat command will be applied for formatting operations or something. Okay, suppose if it is in MS Word, okay, suppose you are applying some text, bold, some formats are applied. Okay, now this text is copied. I mean, I'm selecting this text and format painter. I am using format painter. I applied the same formats. Okay, now if I want to run the same command on this text, then I can press F4. Okay, so the last command will be executed. Last command, that is strike. So that will be executed on this text. Select this and F4. This is in MS Word. The same thing in Unix is dot. Repeat command is dot. Okay, fine. We'll continue with rest of the commands in the next session. Okay, like we'll use some commands to move the text from one location to another location. Copy text. Already we have seen how to copy the text by using Yank and put. Okay, so how to move the text means cut and paste, similar to cut and paste in MS Word. Okay, so copy paste, that is Yank and put command. Okay, so how to copy the text, how to move the text. So these are all we'll see in the next session. We'll stop here. Thank you.